The default search engine when you search for anything in Safari is Google. So if I just open Safari right here, tap in the address bar, which we can use to search for things, we search for hi, and Google is the search engine. We can change that. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change it to Ecosia, which is a different search engine. To do that, we go into the settings, scroll all the way down, tap on apps, tap on the S on the right-hand side, or scroll down to the S section and then tap on Safari. Right here, we see search engine. Tap on that, Google's the default. Tap on Ecosia, and then go back to here. Don't search in Google's search bar because then it'll be Google still. You got to use the iPhone search bar and type in a search and go. And now we're using Ecosia as the search engine. And if you find that your cell phone has been slower and slower lately, it might have malware on it or a virus. Check out this video to determine if that's true, and if that is true, how to fix it. If you got value from the video you just watched, like and subscribe to let me know, and I will see you on this one.